Hi Aries, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. Aries, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship, guys, we are picking these cards, Aries. So, these are for your general energies. This is for your relationship, and this is for your career situation, guys. If you want more clarity, Aries, you can stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that will follow this general guidance. So, let's start with these cards here. We have lilies, snake, and stars. So, in your circumstances, guys, Aries, maybe in your work or maybe in your relationship, you are someone in a good place today, guys. Maybe in your life you are a team leader or the CEO, someone with a lot of power and authority in your position, and maybe the people in your life, your friends and family members, or maybe this person you love, they really appreciate your reputation and the success you have enjoyed in your life and the way things are going for you. And you are someone who is a really skilled and talented person, ready to jump into action, and you are always cheerful and confident no matter what you see in your circumstances. So, today in your situation, guys, maybe there is someone quite jealous of you. They do not have good intentions about you. They are quite jealous and they are trying to create some negative circumstance for you, create problems for you in your situation. So, this person is opposing you in some ways, guys, and it may not be a very a direct opposition. They may act like a friend or a family member or a colleague, but they do not have good intentions towards you, Aries. So, if you know who this person is, if you have a vague idea who it is, you must stay away from them, guys. So, this person is not going to uh, be helpful in any way. So, you must try to avoid this person. And in this relationship, guys, you share a beautiful understanding with this person, and maybe for some of you this may be a karmic connection. Even at the first time you met them, you would have had a deep understanding, connection, familiarity with this person. You would have felt that you have known them for quite some time, even at the first meeting. So that is the level of connection you have with them. So this may be because this may be a karmic connection, or this person may be your soulmate. That may be the reason we have this energy with these cards, guys. So for your relationship, we picked one card and it is Moon. So it just means that your dreams and fantasies you have with this person is coming true, guys, and maybe you are if you have something not right with this person you love, maybe you feel that they are quite jealous of you, or they are the one jealous, or they are the one creating problems, or there may be misunderstandings in this relationship. So whatever it is, you are going to see the end of difficulties in your circumstances. Things will change for you, Aries. Things will be better for you today. Uh, so all that negativity is going to resolve, Aries, in your circumstances if you're seeing something. But if that is not the case, if you have a beautiful understanding with them, I see you moving towards marriage or commitment, because this person and yourself, you are made for each other, and you have a beautiful relationship, guys. You have a deep connection, and this deep connection is the reason for things working out in a positive way, guys. So though you may have some level of misunderstanding, something not right, it is going to resolve for you, guys, Aries. So for your career situation, we have house. So it just means that you are building a safe and secure future for yourself, doing the right things in the right way, making the right choices for your career. So things are going to go in a perfect way in your work situation, Aries. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, Aries. Thank you for watching. If you want more clarity, please stay tuned for the pick a card love reading that is coming up right now, guys, Aries. For your love reading, guys, we have two cards here. This is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your circumstances, close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, then open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. That way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start the reading with the first card after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, so now let's start the reading. I will keep the second card aside. So for those who chose this first card, it is Kyanite. It is a crystal spirits card, guys. So with this card, this crystal stands for having that diplomacy, resolving disputes in our circumstances, and restoring harmony and mending the fences we have, and building bridges or connections with the people we care for. So in our relationship, this may be the time for you to be a bigger person, being really diplomatic, trying to connect with that other person and try to have that mutual understanding, guys. There is a reason for you to be with this person, guys. There is a reason this person is here in this relationship with you. And now to connect with them in a healthy way is to understand that you both are different. You must honor those differences. But diplomacy is going to be the thing that is going to help you mend the fences you both have. And you will be surprised how much you will, or your words will reach to that person if you say it lovingly, if you, instead of trying to prove your point logically, guys. So love is going to mend the fences you both have, and it will bring harmony in your relationship, guys. Maybe sometimes for some of you, it's possible that you have attracted this relationship where you are doing all that emotional work and this person is simply sucking your energy and they are not doing anything from their side. If that is the case, you can always say no. And if you feel that there will be no change with that other person, you can always end that relationship, guys. That is your choice. Know that it is okay. You want to free this conflict that way. But if you can do it with love, it is going to be much more better for you, guys. So that is what I see with this card for those who chose this card. That is the reading, guys. This crystal spirit, it stands for harmony and balance in your relationship. So let's see what is the second card for you. For those who chose the second card, it is transformation. And again, a beautiful card, guys. So this card just means that there are people, maybe it may be one person or maybe someone, it may be two people or more than that. They are quite envious and jealous of you, jealous of your success in your career or jealous of your personal life. So they are trying to do things, trying to oppose you, trying to pull you down, bring obstacles and problems in your circumstances. But you need to understand that this is the time for you to handle your situation wisely. Do not give in to temptation. So you may be tempted to do certain things from this by this person. If you can avoid these temptations, you can live a life of peace and harmony. But even if you cannot, if you have given in to these temptations, you will be facing few consequences, but there is nothing wrong in that. You will have a better understanding, a better learning, more wisdom. So what you need to do, you will know for sure, guys. So in your relationship or in your personal life, you are going to use your intelligence and being self-reliant, being confident in yourself, and you're working towards a better situation for yourself. So there are a lot of positive transformation happening in your life today, guys. And you serve as an inspiration to younger people in your life, maybe your children or your sisters or brothers. You are their inspiration and you are the guidance. So the way you handle your circumstance is simply going to teach them the right things in life. And you need to understand that whatever good deeds you are doing today will never be wasted, guys. You will get it multifold in your life. So whatever goodness you do to others, you are going to receive, guys. You can rest assured on that. So that is the energy with this card. So this envy and jealousy, it's not going to last forever. There is going to be an end to it, and you are going to succeed in your life, guys, whatever you take up. But right now there may be some problems you are facing, some struggles you are facing, but you are going to overcome all that, guys. So that is what I see with this card. For those who chose this card, that is the reading. Thank you, guys, for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading, guys. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.